All right, guys, you seen that title in the thumbnail. We about to get busy in the kitchen. We got wings on the menu today, so you already know it's a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these spicy blackened chicken wings. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna do a quick rundown of our ingredients. Over here we have our chicken wings. Here we have hot sauce, butter, seasoned salt, black pepper, basil, thyme, oregano, olive oil, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now, I know it's a lot of dry seasoning. That's because we're making our own blackened seasoning. Now, if you already have blackened seasoning, don't worry about that. Just skip straight to the part where we're seasoning the chicken, all right? Let's get to it. So now we're gonna start out by making our blackening seasoning. Now, if you already have pre-made blackened seasoning, don't worry about this step. Skip to the next one. I make mine with some garlic powder here, onion powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, basil, oregano, thyme, and seasoned salt. And all I do is give that baby a good mix like this. Make sure it's well combined. Break the lumps up in that smoked paprika. Make sure it's where it's all just fine grains. All right, this is what we have. Let's continue. So now let's start preparing our chicken. We're gonna add our olive oil here. We're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of our blackening seasoning. Now, you may wanna start off with 1 tablespoon just to make sure that you don't over season it. But with about 2 pounds of chicken, you could probably get away with about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna start off with about 1 tablespoon myself. I'm gonna get that baby mixed up. I think I can afford to go in with a little bit more, the rest of it. This is how you want these babies to look right here. All right, so now we're gonna let these babies rest here on the cutting board real quick. Head over to our stove, prepare our sauce, and then we're gonna come back to our wings. All right, so what I decided to do, let's not go to the stove. Let's just melt our butter in the microwave, and we're gonna take that melted butter, add it right here to this small dish, come behind that with our hot sauce. Let's just simplify this process, give it a good mix. And look at what we have. Beautiful. All right, now let's head over to our air fryer. All right, before we keep going, I want to share something with you guys that you've been asking me for, and it's Still Not a Chef, my highly anticipated cookbook that's finally up for pre-order. Yep, no complicated steps, no chef rules, just food that makes sense in real life. So if this sounds like your vibe, grab your copy at the link in the video description. All right, to get started, we're gonna preheat our air fryer. We're gonna cook this for about 22 minutes. I'm gonna do 24 because I like mine crispy. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. And right now it's preheating it. Once it preheats, it'll let me know when to add the food. All right, guys, so it's time to add our food. We're gonna lift our hood from our air fryer. I'm gonna hit that with a little cooking spray. We're gonna add our wings in here. I usually put them in skin side down. We're gonna close this baby, and we're gonna let that cook for about 24 minutes, flipping it over halfway through the cooking process. All right, guys, we're 12 minutes in. We're gonna pause it, gonna lift our hood up. We're gonna get these babies flipped over. All right, so now that we flipped them all over, we're gonna close it, hit start, and finish the remaining 12 minutes or until they are the desired crispiness that you like it. All right, guys, so it says get food. Man, look at those babies right there. Oh, man. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove them from our air fryer, head over to our cutting board so we can get these babies sauced up, all right? All right, we're gonna start adding our wings to our bowl. Now we're gonna take our sauce and pour it over our wings like this. And you don't want them fully drenched like you're doing buffalo wings. You just want a light coating on them. We're gonna get these babies tossed up, because you don't want that sauce to overpower that blackening flavor, which is what's gonna make these babies stand out. There you go. Take a look at that. All right, let's get these babies plated up and head into quality control. And there you have it, spicy blackened wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead, jump into quality control. It's time to do a quick taste test. My favorite part of the show, and I know it's yours too, quality control. Man, let's bring these wings to the front of the congregation. Man, look at them, baby. Ooh, man, look at that wing. Oh, man. Ooh. Oh man, flat time. Oh man. Oh man. Wow. Listen, I gotta finish this up so I can go ahead and put my elbows on the table with these. Guys, you already know I'm the wing king. Self-explanatory. No need to go all overboard with these. Definitely add this to your list. To the end, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.